What? This is nice. Whoa.
If you're looking for a place to stay that's close to the Irving Convention Center in Texas, the Holiday Inn Express is a great choice, and it's within walking distance from the convention center. You can either walk along the highway or cut across the river like we did.
Nice.
What did you tell him to do?
Stock the fridge. Although Kaylin had the chip box, and then all of a sudden, as we're entering the room, he hands it off to Caveman.
You're saying he's too weak to carry a bag of chips? Is that what you told him?
Yeah. It was also full of bread.
Oh, and bread. Never mind. Did you go down the stairs?
Yeah.
How are the stairs?
Good.
Good.
Do they have carpet? No.
Oh boy. That's going on the video. Is that good? So guys, what do you think? Did you have fun here?
Yes.
We're off to another adventure.
See you guys next few weeks.
What? No, we'll see
Days.
them Wednesday. Bye.
Wednesday?
Bye.
Bye.
Be sure to check out our other videos here.